Hey y'all, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Here I am a lover of all things natural. I share tips on how I achieve healthy growing hair. And if you like it here, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Now let's get to the video. Hello everyone, it's time for some heatless waves. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting out with about a 3-week-old flat iron hairstyle, and right now it's at the point of wearing ponytails and buns, and I also have quite a bit of new growth, so it's at the point where it's nappy a little bit in the scalp area. So this is why I think heatless waves would be perfect at this point. I'm able to maintain stretched hair, and also heatless waves is actually healthier for your hair. So I'm starting off with detangling my hair just to make sure all the knots and tangles are out. I always use some type of serum to assist with getting the tangles out easier. So now that my hair is detangled, I'm able to go ahead and get my part right. For this particular style, I'm going to go with the part in the middle. The product I'm going to be using is the Mielle Twisting Soufflé. Okay, so for these waves, I'm actually going to part my hair in 4 separate sections. This is actually my first time using Mielle Soufflé. It actually smells pretty good. I'm going to apply about 1/4 size per section. Also, you want to work it in really good so that it won't leave a residue. So now I'm going to start my braid. I'm not the best at braiding, but I do what I can. And I'm going to secure that braid with a satin scrunchie. And I'm going to do the same thing for all the sections. At night, you can actually put your hair in a silk bonnet or satin bonnet or silk scarf or satin scarf. I personally sleep on a satin pillowcase, so sometimes I'll go with or without anything else. I didn't get it on camera, but I actually did wrap my hair with a silk scarf around my edges. I just realized I only had 3 satin scrunchies, so I had to make it work with just 3. So the 2 braids had to share one scrunchie, which actually worked out pretty good. It's the next day, and I'm going to take my braids out so I can see my waves. This is the Mielle's edge control product that I use. I'm going to be using Frieda Frizz Ease Serum for the takedown. And I'm going to apply about 1 to 2 pumps per braid just to prevent any frizz. So now I'm just going to use a wide tooth comb to kind of comb through each section just to unify the waves. And combing it out actually helps it to look more fuller and actually gives it a little bit more body. Okay guys, so as you can see, the waves are waving and my hair is really bomb. I really like the way it came out. And the products that I use will be listed below in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.